Today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy breakfast recipe with mixed veggies and semolina along with sunflower seeds chutney. This combination is very tasty. Let's start. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special simple breakfast recipe with mixed vegetables and semolina. First take 2 green chilies and chop them thin round pieces and keep aside. After chilies, take 1 big onion and cut into thin long pieces. Now take 150 grams of tomatoes and cut into thin long pieces as well. Here I'm using green amaranth leaves. Small bunch. You can use any available leafy vegetable. Now cut the leaves into small pieces. Now into a pan drop 50 ml of oil and heat up. When oil is warm, drop 50 grams of cashew and fry till cashew nuts turn to brown color. Keep flame on medium. When cashew nuts changes color, drop 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Give it a mix and add chopped green chilies. Just stir 2 times and add chopped onion and fry for about 30 seconds. When onion changing color, add chopped tomatoes, give it a mix and add chopped amaranth leaves. When tomato pieces soften, add 100 grams of grated potato and 100 grams of grated carrot. Now mix all the veggies well. Add 500 ml of water and salt to taste. Mix well. Cover the lid and cook for 2-3 minutes on a medium flame. After 3 minutes, add 150 grams of semolina. Mix well, cover the lid and cook till semolina softens. That's it, our mixed vegetable breakfast is ready. You can adjust the water if semolina doesn't cook enough. Now I will show you sunflower seeds chutney. First we will cut the tomatoes. Take 250 grams of ripened tomatoes and cut into small cubes. After cutting tomatoes, into a frying pan, drop 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil heats up, add 100 grams of sunflower seeds. Here I am using sunflower seeds without their out shell. Now fry the seeds till they get golden brown color. Don't fry on high flame, seeds will burn. When sunflower seeds turn to golden brown color, add tomato cubes and mix. Now add 2 green chilies and cook till tomatoes soften. It will take around 5 minutes on a medium flame. When tomatoes soften, switch off the gas and let the mixture cool down. After cools down, drop the tomato mixture into a blender jar. Add salt to taste. 6 to 10 garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now blend the mixture into a paste. You can add water to adjust the consistency. That's it. Our sunflower seeds chutney is ready. This chutney is good combination with upma, dosa, idli and vada. Now serve hot vegetable upma with sunflower chutney.